Hey, start your camera. Medics round 2, sinking in 3, 2, 1, mark. I need to reload my mags, like all of them. Here, I got my speed loader. 2 8s? Yeah. Fuck yes, thank you.
That's more than 6 squares, right?
Oh, hell yeah.
Like,
well, from the window, questionable, but from where I was, it was fine.
Yeah, because me and you were like 6 away, and I like come around the corner. And I know I'm 6 because like just looking at it, I know it's more than 6. Wait, did I hit you that one time? No, you didn't. You like completely missed me. I was so happy. I
went there. I think I could have faced him, but
I shot one guy I shouldn't have. I know that.
I was like, you know the kid with the shotgun, the Terminator match guy? I was going like this. I was like pushing him, and his shot was just hitting the wall.
That was a good run.
Okay, who wants to go left? Who wants to go right?
I'm gonna go left. I'm going left.
Go right. Take the coffee out right away. Yeah.
Yeah, you can lock down that whole middle wall from there. That's how we got up. Then no, I'm not. You go. You go with them, though. Go with them. Me and you are going to take left. Are you guys going left?
Oh, we're going left.
Yeah, okay, we'll go with you. Okay. The rest of them are going right. Go. Go ahead. Go. Oh, shit. Keep going. Go. Gotta get in that building. Go. Whoa, all the way down at the end. Come on. We got it. Looks like most of their team went to the side. We have friendlies over there though, so don't shoot. We have 4 friendlies. Yo, coming up to you. Oh shoot, they're moving up. One at the tires.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm loading a mag. Give me some time. Shit. Oh wait, that was one of theirs. Hey, let's flank it. Let's go around.
What?
Why don't you try going through the building that way? Hey, James, you and me switch. Go. Yo! Are you hit? All right, we're doing okay. We're doing all right. We just need to get around this wall and get the guys on the other side.
Throw it in there.
I have a fake one. In where, that room?
Yeah.
Well, here's the thing. If you go, oh, they're right now. They're looking. Okay, so there's one in there, but there's at least 3 behind the other side of that wall.
Yeah, I tried.
So if you go over there, oh, you did?
Yeah.
Did it work? Did it go off?
It went off.
Okay. All right,
They're hiding behind the tire.
Yeah, peek that corner. Friendly? All right, hey. Different plan. Is it safe to go on the outside of the building and look this way?
All right.
Yeah? Because there's like 3 guys on the other side of this wall. If you can get them, that'd be a lifesaver because then we can get this one guy. I'm looking at the door.
Watch out.
Oh, we got one right there. One crossed over. Shadow. I got hit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thank you. Oh shit, they're like right there. Huh? Yeah. And now we got a problem here, we're jammed up. Fuck. All right, time for the race pistol. I'm done fucking with this shit. It scares the shit out of me even. Ah, I could have got him. I got him. Really? I know this thing is a nail dragger. He's on the right side of the door.
Hey guys!
Yo!
There's someone coming up on this side.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I'll watch the back. And I'll watch that window, see if anyone comes through. I can shoot to that bear lap. I'm more than 10 feet. And I know this pistol will do it. Hold up, hold up.
Is he back there?
There was somebody back there. I don't know if it's friendly. I'm gonna go check it out. You keep here.
Okay.
Okay, go. That answers that question. Bingo! Bingo! Take a knee, take a knee. Got you. You're it out. Nice run, though, dude. You scared the shit out of me. Yeah. Where? Armband. Let's go. Move it up. Huh?
We cleared this.
Then we're done, I think. Let's double check the mosque.
Who's in there? Who's in there?
Armband, okay.
Just cleared the whole back.
Clear the mosque.
Well, I couldn't have gone mosque because as soon as I came out, Dylan.
Let's double check it.
The entire back building.
Let's double check it just to make sure.
Hey, where'd that other guy go? Guy with the green laser. Did you throw a grenade?
Yeah, he did. Mosque is clear. I think we're good. I think we're good. Mosque is clear. All right, we're done. That's game, guys.